In a few minutes, you'll know exactly why Fomo, the social crypto trading app, is going to win in 2027 and why this type of crypto trading could be seen more commonly across the markets as it gets more popular. Social trading platforms like Fomo allow you to see real P&Ls from verifiable accounts, and it's leading to a trading revolution. Previously, we had everybody sharing huge profits, making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars on these meme coin trades, and really, it was never verifiable and honestly could have been faked with AI. So let me dive into why social trading platforms like Fomo win crypto trading in 2027. I'll leave the link for Fomo in this video description so you can follow along with me. I'm going to start with Fomo on this left-hand side, the leaderboard section. We can see Unipix is up over $500,000 in the last 3 months. And this is a verifiable X account. This isn't a fake profit and loss. This isn't a fake account. You can actually go over to his X account and see what he's talking about, how he's making his money, and we can go along and even track some of his trades. So let's take a look at the number one earner. We can see if we actually just hover over his account, his total portfolio is worth $3.7 million, nearly up $2 million in the last 7 days. And we just jump over here, head over to his X account, has over 237,000 followers, and is someone I've been following for quite a long time, actually. So we can go through and see some of his trades, why he's taking them. He's even talking about over 20,000 people jumping onto Fomo and following along some of his trades. The reason I say that Fomo is going to be so powerful and why social trading apps are going to be so good is because now we can actually track real traders in real time and see that, hey, this guy's actually making money. This isn't his fake buys and sells. This isn't fake money. He's actually making money. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, this is so powerful because in late 2024, early 2025, we saw a lot of people trying to get very popular on X and seeing a lot of their posts look like they were basically just faking their profit and losses, because when you see hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit, you say, wow, this is a great trader. Let me now follow his X account. And then this is the one that just releases a random meme coin and then dumps on his followers. So he's basically using that hype. Whereas here, we're seeing real traders, real accounts, and Unipix has been on X for many, many years. He's not just some new trader on X. He's been around for like 3 or 4 years at least. And here we're even able to track open positions. So currently 36 open positions, some over $1 million in actual portfolio value. But where the real value lies is coming over to the close, and we can actually track all of the positions that have been closed. We're even able to track the number one trade making over $1 million. And the best thing is again, this is a social trading app. So they've linked X together on the platform. We can see the initial post was over a month ago talking about ponds. We can see his initial buys happening back in 15th of July, it looks like. And we can actually go through and basically read his thesis. So why is he bullish on the coin? Why is he entered? Why is he exited? And he's still talking about this coin just 15 hours ago. So still an open position, up over 40%. I love that everything is truly trackable and it's all in one place. We're able to see all of the best meme coin traders, and we're able to, again, verify that they are making money. So that's the goal here. I've actually linked my account with Fomo. So as I begin to take profitable meme coin trades, you'll be able to track me and say, hey, John is actually a profitable meme coin trader and he's not just talking about meme coins. Another thing is people do want to trade with a community. They want to be able to share their trades. They want to be able to talk with their friends, show them, hey, this is what I'm interested in. This is how much profit I made. And even these clans are available where there's multiple members in these clans all trading these different coins. it just makes everything more of a community vibe. Whereas, as you know, trading is quite a solo venture. You're quite alone. It's you, your thoughts, and the charts. Whereas here, it's bringing the social and community side. And that's honestly what a lot of us in crypto need. Now, I used to be very big into copy trading. As soon as it launched, it was a way to make money. But as more traders utilized it, a lot of people that were being copy traded understood how to take advantage of that. So one thing that I'm really liking here is just to be able to follow all of my top traders, all of my top accounts, all of my favorite ex-influencers, and just get a notification on when they're entering, when they're exiting, and then I can make my own decision. I don't have to say, hey, when Unipix takes a trade, I automatically want to take a trade with him. That's not really the way that I trade anymore. But what I would really love is to just be alerted when Unipix is taking a trade, and then I say, hey, well, if he's taking a trade, let me go have a look at the chart, make my own decision. Does it line up with my own trading strategy? And then I can make my decision. But it just gives me an alert to say, hey, there's a lot of people, or my favorite trader over here is looking at this particular coin. And right now, if I'm getting the alert, would be the best time to look at it and make my own decision. So it just adds to your overall trading bank. Again, adding more of a community vibe and just being alerted when all of your favorite influencers, traders are taking trades. Just gives you more opportunities to take trades. Even if you're not going to enter, just have a look at the chart, see what's happening, and make your own decision if it could be a profitable meme coin trade. One thing I really like as well about the platform is that we can trade multiple chains without having to continuously bridge our money across platforms. Like we can see some of these coins here. This one is on the BNB Smart Chain. We can go down to Cashcat, which is on the Robinhood chain. We can come down to this newly trending coin, which is on the Solana chain. So we don't have to be constantly bridging money. We can just have our deposit and we can trade constantly within these different platforms. So it just makes it really, really easy. So it just allows us to utilize all of the blockchains without that small headache in between. I do believe we're going to see more platforms like Fomo pop up. I think it would be a smart idea to even bring this into the stock market, into the Forex market. Again, it would just add more of a verifiable layer. I believe it's a good thing across the market. So I do believe this could be a major trend change across the entire financial markets. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. I'll be posting a lot more meme coin trading content on crypto. If you have enjoyed the video, I'll see you in the next one.